In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove auto-add in rules in QuickBooks. If your bank rules are automatically pushing transactions into your books without you reviewing them first, this quick adjustment will give you back control and help prevent accidental misclassifications. Start by heading to the Rules section in QuickBooks. This is where all your bank rules live, and it's the central place to manage how incoming and outgoing transactions are handled. If you haven't spent much time here, think of rules as instructions you've given QuickBooks to recognize certain details, like a payee name or a bank text, and then categorize, tag, or assign them for you. Some rules also have auto-add turned on, which means QuickBooks jumps straight to adding those transactions to your books without stopping at the For Review tab. Once you're in the Rules section, find the specific rule you want to change. The list can be long if you've built several rules over time, so take a moment to scan the names and the conditions. Look for the one that matches the scenario where transactions are being added automatically. If you see a column that indicates whether auto-add is on or off, that can be a helpful clue, but you'll confirm it inside the rule itself. Next, look to the far right of that rule and click Edit. This opens the full details of the rule so you can safely make adjustments without deleting or rebuilding it. Editing doesn't change your past transactions. It simply updates how QuickBooks will treat matching transactions going forward. Now scroll down within the rule until you see the Auto-Add option. It's typically a toggle or checkbox labeled Auto-Add. Turn that off. By doing this, you're telling QuickBooks to stop automatically adding transactions for this rule. From now on, any transaction that matches this rule will pause in the For Review tab, so you can give it a quick look and confirm it's correct before it lands in your books. That's it. Your rule still works the same way. Same conditions, same categories, same payee. Only now you're in the driver's seat for the final approval. If you have other rules that are auto-adding, repeat the same process for each one. Taking a minute to switch off auto-add where needed can greatly improve accuracy and give you a clear audit trail of what you've approved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your books clean and confidently under control.